I've been comparing Binance, Bybit, and Bitget throughout 2025, and while all three platforms offer robust crypto trading experiences, they cater to different types of traders. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize a comprehensive ecosystem, advanced derivatives trading, or user-friendly features. Binance is renowned for its extensive range of services, including spot trading, futures, staking, and an NFT marketplace. It boasts the highest global trading volume, supporting over 400 cryptocurrencies with a maximum leverage of 125x. Binance's robust security measures, such as the SAFA fund and mandatory KYC, provide users with a high level of trust and protection. However, its wide array of features might be overwhelming for beginners. Bybit focuses primarily on derivatives trading, offering up to 100x leverage and supporting over 1,600 cryptocurrencies. It provides advanced trading tools, copy trading features, and a user-friendly interface. Notably, Bybit allows withdrawals without mandatory KYC up to certain limits, offering more flexibility. However, it's important to mention that Bybit experienced a significant security breach in early 2025, which impacted its reputation despite swift recovery efforts. Bitget is tailored for users seeking a balance between simplicity and advanced features. It offers copy trading, spot, and futures trading, and supports over 800 cryptocurrencies. Bitget's fixed fee structure of 0.1% for both maker and taker trades, with discounts available using its native token, makes it cost-effective. Its intuitive interface and comprehensive security measures make it appealing to both beginners and experienced traders. If you're looking for a comprehensive platform with a wide range of services and strong security, Binance is a solid choice. For advanced derivatives, trading, and flexible KYC requirements, Bybit stands out. If you prefer a user-friendly platform with competitive fees and robust features, Bitget could be the best fit. If this comparison helped you determine which platform aligns better with your trading needs, please like the video, share it with someone exploring crypto exchanges, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.